Afreda S6. Afreda S6 is a three-wheel, all-terrain e-bike that can be easily folded in 1 second. It is convenient, compact and portable with an amazing off-road capacity with an inclination of 40 degrees and 11-inch shock absorption for a stable ride. It has a powerful 48-volt dual lithium-ion battery and brushless motor with an inbuilt clutch, giving a maximum range of 60 kilometers. Afreda offers 2 riding modes, namely free riding mode and self-balancing mode, and a maximum speed of 30 kilometers per hour and 40 kilometers per hour respectively. The approximate weight ranges between 30 to 32 kg and can handle a maximum payload of 200 kilograms. The balanced hydraulic disc brake ensures safety and a smooth ride. The approximate price of the Afreda S6 is $1998.99. Montague Me1. Montague Me1 is the world's first full-size performance foldable electric bike equipped with Shimano Steps E6100 mid-drive motor and a TheOne drivetrain that can be folded within a second. A 250-watt motor and 418 watt-hour battery give a maximum range of 90 miles with a maximum speed of 18 miles per hour. The 700C wheels ensure high performance for the rider. The kickstand supports the weight of the bike while folding, and even the QR folds the handlebar, ensuring a more compact size so one can easily take the bike through an elevator or train without carrying it. It features 3 pedal assist modes, namely Eco, Normal and High Power Assist modes. The approximate price of Montague Me1 is $3,995. Brompton. Brompton represents the world's most compact folding e-bike that folds in less than 20 seconds and offers a 4-speed gearing system with smart pedal assist. The premium weight-saving components and titanium advanced rear frame ensures the best performance and easy lifting. The 300 watt-hour lithium-ion battery and 250-watt brushless motor give a maximum range of 20 to 45 miles with a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. The efficiency and performance are highly optimized through redesigned suspension and shock absorption. The weight of Brompton is approximately 12.7 kilograms. The approximate price of Brompton ranges from $3,308. TheOne, world's lightest electric folding bike. TheOne is world's lightest electric folding bike that weighs only about 12.5 kg. It can carry a maximum load of 100 kilograms. Along with being lightweight, it is durable, flexible, affordable and compact. It can be easily folded in less than 10 seconds. The 250-watt motor and the lithium-ion battery of 36 volts 8Ah give a maximum range of 60 kilometers in assisted mode and 32 kilometers in throttle mode with a maximum speed ranging between 25 to 32 kilometers per hour. It features a smart LED screen, hydraulic disc brakes, headlight, backlight and fender, along with foldable pedals. The approximate price range of TheOne ranges between $15.99 to $19.99. OneShot folding bike. OneShot is a conceptual, innovative bike that can be folded within minutes and transformed into a full-fledged fixed belt bike when not in use. The bike features wheels, pedals, seat, handlebars and cranks. It is designed to easily fit with certain transit systems in less space. When folded, it can be easily carried in the form of a trolley-type rolling case. So, I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Comment below which folding bike you like the most and stay tuned for many such videos.